In this video, we are going to see how we can beautifully change the outfit of any person using AI, using Nano Banana. As you can see here, I want to change this outfit to something else. But guess what? This hoodie is created by AI. This is not the original photo. Original photo, let me just show you. Original photo is this. So I just asked Nano Banana to replace this simple shirt with a hoodie, with a yellow hoodie. And this is the results. You can see the perfection as if this is the real photo. Now I'm wearing a suit. So this is how you can make all of these customizations to outfit however you want. Let's see how we can do this. Let's start a new chat. Let me just make it full screen and let's upload the image. Now this is my original image. Now, like I said, this is my original image. And this time let's make it wear white hoodie. And this is the results, guys. As you can see, it has perfectly changed the outfit. And this time let's make it wear black kurta. Let's try that. And look at this, guys. This is so perfectly placed on the body. It doesn't feel like it is created by AI. Let me just download and compare it with the original picture. And whenever you want to download, just scroll down a little bit, just click on download. And let's just put it here. So this is me wearing a kurta, but the original picture is this. So I can change different outfits however I want. And this is how we can do it. Now let's try something else. We have a dress like this. I want this outfit to be placed on, let's say, this girl. So again, I got this picture from pixels.com and this is a complex image because her hands are in front of the dress. So let's try that. Let's start a new chat and this time let's upload both of the images because we want to merge them. So this is the picture of the girl and this is the outfit. And throughout this training, we will only use simple commands so that it makes your life easier to work on AI. We don't need any complex tasks, especially in Nano Banana. I just upload the outfit and I just upload the picture of the girl and I want to make her wear the outfit on the left. Let's see the results. And just remember that it might take a longer time if you are processing a complex image. So it depends on the image style. So as you can see, it has changed the outfit style a little bit, matching the dress. You can see before it was a floral design. It has a simple neck design like this, and it has changed and customized somewhat to this dress. But I want to make this dress blue because although the texture and the design on this dress is same, but it doesn't look the same. Why? Because the color is not same. Make it blue, matching with the sample dress picture. So let's ask it again to make it sky blue. Let's say this is, I guess, sky blue color. And look at this, guys. Now she's perfectly wearing this outfit that I just proposed as a sample, and look at the results. Pretty awesome, right? Now we can just simply download this and let's compare with the original pictures. By the way, guys, we will attach all of these picture samples with the description or resources section of this video so that you can try this by yourself as well. Or otherwise you can get any picture from thousands of images on pixels.com. As you can see, this picture is still open. You can search by writing anything here in the pixels.com. Just write people, girl, whatever, and you can get some awesome results like that. Okay, so let's compare the results. This is the final image. This one is the original image downloaded from Pixels. I provided this outfit as a sample and I wanted her to wear this outfit. And this is the results. You can see the perfection, the detailing and everything around this picture. So that's the power of this software. Just remember that for this software, simple commands are the key. So you don't have to make or write complex commands in order to get your results like ChatGPT. It works on very simple commands. Let's make her laugh and let's see how perfectly it changes the expression of this girl. Look at this, guys. So this is how it has recreated the image to perfectly match with the features. And this is the final results. So not only these commands, I want you to try it on your own picture. Just try to change the outfits or anything. Even we can change some backgrounds as well. Let's say that I want to make her ride a heavy bike in Dubai with the same outfit. Let's see how she looks. And this is the results, guys. Look at this. How perfectly it has maintained the consistency of the facial features and make her ride this bike. Although it's not a heavy bike, it's not a sports bike. I had to mention sports bike for it. And she's wearing the same outfit. So this is how you can try different commands and change the facial expressions, change the outfits, and change the color of the dresses. Or you can change any kind of dress that you want to simply define by just writing a command and not as a sample. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.